The Earth's climate is affected by many different natural processes. These can act alone or in combination to drive the outcome of Earth's climate. For most of the past 2.5 million years, the primary driver of Earth's climate has been the Earth's orbit around the Sun. Over time, the Earth's orbit around the Sun varies slightly between nearly circular to slightly elliptical. Additionally, the Earth's axis of rotation is tilted. At times it has greater tilt and other times less. During the time of greater tilt, the seasonal temperatures on Earth become exaggerated. Also, the Earth's axis of rotation wobbles or precesses, and this precession affects the degree of climate exaggeration. As time goes on, these three orbital behaviors work in concert, sometimes reinforcing each other, sometimes canceling each other out. Their combined effects are called Milankovitch cycles, and when taken in total greatly affect the temperature of the Earth. Another major factor that affects Earth's climate is changes in the Earth's atmosphere. The Earth has had three different types of atmosphere over its 4.5 billion year life. The first atmosphere of the Earth was made out hydrogen and helium. After a long period of time, that atmosphere was replaced by carbon dioxide and methane. Eventually, that atmosphere was replaced by the current nitrogen and oxygen atmosphere that we experience today. In this modern atmosphere, carbon dioxide has been reduced to a very small percentage of the components. However, small changes in carbon dioxide appear to have a direct relationship with the temperature of the Earth, and vice versa. Changes in the Earth temperature appear to change the percentage of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Another item that affects Earth's climate is fluctuations in ocean currents. For example, the existing Gulf Stream pumps warm water up into the North Atlantic. That warm water going into the North Atlantic keeps Western Europe much warmer than it normally would be. If the Gulf Stream should suddenly shut down, Northwest Europe will find itself with a climate much colder than the current conditions. Additionally, the cold water circulation going around Antarctica keeps the continent much colder than it should be. The position of the continents or plate tectonics has played critical roles in the climate of the Earth over the eons of time since the Earth was born. Volcanism can also play a major role in the Earth's climate. At numerous times in the past, huge volcanic eruptions such as the Siberian Traps and the Deccan Traps have caused major changes in the Earth's atmosphere, resulting in cooling due to volcanic ash in the atmosphere, and also warming due to the outgassing of large amounts of carbon dioxide. Variation in the Sun's energy output also plays a major role in driving our climate. The Earth can pass through clouds of space dust, and this can drastically cool the climate on the Earth. Also, the Sun's energy output has been steadily increasing, approximately 6% every billion years. So the Earth currently receives about 30% more energy than it did when the Earth was first formed 4.5 billion years ago. Finally, impacts by large space objects like asteroids and comets can have immediate short-term effects on Earth's climate. For instance, when the asteroid struck the Earth 65 million years ago, that resulted in the death of most of the dinosaurs. That event covered the Earth in large amounts of dust and gas, and also caused dramatic fires to erupt all over the world due to the splatter of hot rocks that resulted from the impact.